Let's get straight to the point. In this video, I'm going to try something a bit crazy. Building an Instagram business from scratch and making my first $11,000 profitably within the next few days. Unlike most videos you see online, this one isn't about someone else's success story or some blueprint that supposedly works. Forget the buzzwords, forget the scams. This is about me, my process, and what I actually do. You're going to see it all, live and unfiltered. If I succeed, you'll know exactly how to do it yourself. If I fail, you'll learn what to avoid and the challenges to expect. This is the first part of a free multi-part series where I break down everything I do to make this happen. Initially, I thought about making this a 1-hour video course, but I realized that wouldn't feel as authentic. Instead, I'll post updates every week and keep this journey going until I hit my goal. Whether it takes 2 videos or 10, you'll see it all. Now, let me walk you through the plan. Building a business on Instagram requires 3 key elements: a niche, a content strategy, and a monetization model. My niche, AI, and business. It's a perfect combination of what's trending and what provides real value. My strategy is to repurpose AI news into short, engaging reels. The reels will be professionally edited with consistent branding to make the page look unique and credible. Branding is so important. It's what helps you stand out and builds trust with your audience over time. But here's the tricky part: monetization. You can get thousands of followers with a viral reel, but converting those followers into actual money is the real challenge. This is where most people give up. After testing countless methods, sponsorships, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, I've realized how inconsistent they are. So instead, I'm going to focus on building a high-value newsletter. Why newsletters? They're one of the most underrated ways to monetize an audience right now. Unlike social media, where you're at the mercy of algorithms, an email list is something you own. No one can take it away from you, and its value grows over time. Plus, email subscribers are far more valuable than social media followers. For example, an email list of just 2,000 people can generate $3,000 to $20,000 a month, depending on how you monetize it. To make this happen, I'll use a platform called Beehive. It's free for up to 2,500 subscribers, and it has a feature called Beehive Boost, where you can earn $2 to $5 for every subscriber you recommend to other newsletters. Let me break that down. If I gain 1,000 email subscribers in the next month and earn an average of $8 per sign-up, that's $8,000, without even sending out my own emails yet. This isn't some far-fetched hypothetical. It's entirely realistic. And the best part, people don't need to buy anything. They just need to sign up for other free newsletters, and I get paid. It's a win-win. So here's the game plan. I'll start by creating an Instagram page with a professional name, logo, and bio. This gives the page a polished, credible look. Then I'll focus on producing high-quality reels. My content will be simple but effective, taking the latest AI news, adding creative edits, and packaging it in a way that makes it engaging and easy to consume. For example, I found a great article about recent AI advancements, turned it into a reel with my unique editing style, and here's the result. This style will become the identity of my page. Once the page is up and running, I'll set up the newsletter funnel. I've named my newsletter Next Wave because it aligns with the futuristic themes of AI and business. I'll use Beehive to create a landing page for signups. It's clean, simple, and has one purpose: converting Instagram followers into email subscribers. I'll place the link in my bio and subtly encourage people to sign up by mentioning it in my captions and stories. Based on my calculations, for every 100,000 views on my reels, I can expect about 700 to 1,500 new followers. Out of those, I hope to convert at least 300 into email subscribers. With those subscribers, I can start monetizing in 2 ways. First, through Beehive Boost, where I'll earn money for recommending other newsletters. Second, by accepting sponsorships as my list grows. Beehive makes this process easy by connecting you directly with advertisers, and that's just the beginning. Later, I can explore more advanced monetization strategies like launching a paid course or offering premium newsletter tiers. Now let's talk about the content for the newsletter itself. It'll have three main sections. First, a feature story on an AI or business-related topic. Second, a roundup of the latest AI news. And third, something fun and engaging like memes or real or fake polls with AI-generated images. The goal is to keep the content valuable and interesting so that subscribers stay engaged and look forward to every email. Writing all this might sound overwhelming, but I'll use tools like ChatGPT to streamline the process. For example, I'll ask it to summarize news articles or brainstorm ideas for polls. So far, I've set up the Instagram page, posted my first reel, and designed the newsletter landing page. It's still early days, but I've already gotten a few followers from the reel. The next step is to focus on consistency, posting reels daily, promoting the newsletter link, and writing engaging content for my emails. This is just the beginning. Whether I succeed or fail, this series will give you an honest look at what it takes to build a profitable Instagram business. If you're interested in following along and learning from my journey, make sure to subscribe. The next video will show how much progress I've made and whether I'm on track to hit my goals. Remember, this isn't just about making money. It's about creating a system that anyone can replicate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.